Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your visual content with Piktochart easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Piktochart website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, select the type of visual content you want to create. Choose from options like infographics, presentations, or posters. Browse through the available templates related to your selected type. Click on a template to start customizing it. Use the editor on the left side of the screen to modify text, colors, and images. Click on any text box to edit the text content. Adjust the font style and size using the toolbar at the top. To change colors, select the element you want to customize and choose a new color from the palette. Next, you can add icons or images to your visual content. Click on the Media tab to explore Piktochart's library of images and icons. You can also upload your own images by clicking the Upload button. Drag and drop your chosen elements onto the canvas. Arrange them creatively to enhance visual appeal. Be sure to check the alignment and spacing for a polished look. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format from the options provided. Select either PDF, PNG, or JPEG according to your needs. After your file is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Review the final content to ensure everything looks perfect. If needed, return to the editor to make final adjustments. Finally, share your upgraded visual content across your desired platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.